Hi everybody, my name's Matt Elliott and I'm here at Guarantee RV Supercenters in Junction City, Oregon. Today I'm going to show you a trailer that it's a real beauty. This is called a Sundance. It's from Heartland. We've been selling Heartland trailers for years. They do a lot of things to them that I really like, and this one in particular has some technologies that'll help it last longer and be lighter weight. Okay, now we're inside the Sundance 291 QB. And this is a really cool trailer inside, just like it is outside. So first we'll start in the very back. This has a bunkhouse, and it's really what people call a quad bunk, and that is where you can have 4 bunks, but one of these bunks is a table that converts. So now I've got extra dinette, and so that bunk for the kids, they can sit back there and color or play or do their homework or whatever you're doing, and then the overhead bunk also pops up, so it gives you more headroom around that. And then of course everything converts to make bedding, and you have a really nice cabinet, a wardrobe space, a place to put a TV, some extra storage under this bunk, and there is an outside galley on the outside of the bunk. As we move forward from there, we have a nice bathroom and a really good pantry space. And then we get up to the main living area, and we have a folding dinette that makes a bed and also creates storage. And one thing about this dinette that I really love is that it doesn't have any posts where your feet go. If you've ever sat in an RV, your feet are always trying to figure out where to go because those leg posts are in the middle. This is on a Traveler that goes up and down the outside of the table. It doesn't interfere with that. I have it in my rig, and I loved it. Love it. Also, this has a nice big trifold sofa, and I want to point out this is a full width sofa. It's wider, and a lot of times bunkhouses, they don't have a lot of room left after the bunk rooms, so they make a little smaller couch. This is a 3-butt couch, and so you can really sleep 2 full-size adults on it, and it's a comfortable place to sit. In the galley, we have an oven with a glass front stove with a glass workstation on top, microwave oven, lots of counter space and storage here, a stainless steel farm sink with that big expansive area for doing your dishes and stuff. And then forward we have a TV set, a very large TV set with a home theater system, and we also have the electric fireplace, which I like a lot because if you have electricity, this is a lot more pleasant than a forced air furnace. It's very quiet and it's ambient. It really heats everything up in here, but it doesn't make a lot of racket. You still have your propane furnace to fall back on if you want, but for the most part I would use this electric fireplace if I had power available. Then the front bedroom is centered where there's a partition with sliding doors on each side, and that actually helps take a little bit of length out of the trailer. We don't have to make a space to walk around the end of the bed because we have access up both sides. And then of course there's storage in there. Another thing that's really interesting about these, you may notice it has a nice crowned roof. Inside, it's very tall. Tall people like this one. And it's also got the ability to upgrade to Wi-Fi and 5G hotspot with the WineGuard 2.0 antenna system. So that's a thumbnail sketch of the new Sundance 291 QB. I hope you like this trailer. I do. One of the things I haven't mentioned yet is it's pretty lightweight for its size, and it's in that category for some rigs as a half-ton towable. Okay, so if you'd like to know more about it or see it in person, I would love to talk to you. My name is Matt Elliott, and you can reach me at 541-954-8495. Thanks a lot. You have a great day.